my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys have seen in the intro, I have started with the home renovations. However, if you guys are not interested in that, I've also given you the option to skip it. And then some very exciting news. A friend of mine, Tariq, I don't know if you guys recall in the beginning of my channel, I mentioned him a lot. He was actually also the one that provided me with my tire lettering about 3-4 years ago. So Tariq has made contact with me and he has offered to sponsor me with some parts. So going forward, he will be providing us with some parts and we'll be fitting it on the channel. So that's some great news. However, what we do have planned for today is to continue working on the EK, because the YouTuber that we were supposed to meet up with, I don't think he could have get off from work. He was actually busy, as well as the weather was actually pretty bad last week. So going forward, we might just do that shoot this coming weekend. However, for today, we do plan on color matching some parts on the EK. So we are most likely going to use a street to track garage spray booth. If we do not have enough time, my whole plan is to basically spray the side skirts. But if we do not have enough time, I'm only going to spray the Mugen grill. So that will basically be color match, and then I'm also going to maybe just throw some clear over it as well. So that is what we do have planned for today. So let's get started. Okay guys, so Michael just pulled in. This is the Mugen drill. The whole plan with this is to color match this section of the grill and then leave the black. This is the silver spray that we are going to use. This is also the silver spray that we use on the rear wing. So we did see that it kind of matches very well, and that is why we're going to go ahead with it. This time around we do plan on maybe just using some clear coat as well, just to make it shine a little bit. So Michael's just going to wipe the car off because it is raining, and then we can get started. Okay guys, so it seems like there is plastic tip on here, which means it's going to take a little bit longer for me to remove this. It's also extremely difficult to get in here as well. I wasn't aware that it actually had plastic tip on it. So yeah, might just take a little bit longer than normal, but I'm sure we can get it done. Guys, so what I did pick up was it was actually kind of difficult to sand down the plastic tip, or to remove the plastic tip. So what I do recommend you guys doing is get maybe some tips or something that actually worked very good. I also used this is kind of like a spongy type of a cloth that helped a lot. So I'm going to sand it down now and then just wipe it again with some tips, and then we can start spraying. Okay guys, so this is where it starts to get a little bit tricky, because we want to keep the section over here black and then the other section silver. If I do however make a mistake, we might just spray the whole thing silver and then tape the silver section up and then just spray this black over here. guys, the Mugen grill is all taped up and it's ready to be sprayed. It was actually very difficult to tape this up. Another issue I picked up is that the tape kind of lifts over here, so hopefully it doesn't go in. But like I did mention, if that is the case, I might just spray the inserts again. Okay guys, so this is what the grill looks like without the clear coat. I'm just gonna wait until it dries a bit, and then I'm gonna throw the clear on it. The weather is a bit cold today, so it's gonna take a little bit longer than normal just to set. Okay guys, so this is a better look of what it looks like with the clear on as well. We just need to remove off the tape and then we'll be all done. I am actually very happy with the outcome. Okay guys, so just to speeden up the process, I'm just going to use this heater and then just hover over the grill just so that it can speeden the process. Okay my dudes, so this is just a quick comparison. I don't know if you guys recall, when we sprayed the rear Mugen wing, we did not use any clear coat. However, on the grill we did use some clear coat, so this is just a little bit of a quick comparison. We do however plan on clear coating the rear wing, as well as we do plan on removing the black from the rear garnish, as well as spraying the side skirts as well as the lip. So please do stay tuned for that guys. Guys, here's a better look of the Mugen grill. I'm actually very happy with the outcome. I would however recommend you guys using the fine line tape when doing this. Masking tape does work, but the fine line tape might just work a little bit better. Okay guys, this is the final result of the Mugen grill. I must say I'm actually extremely happy with the outcome. Makes the car look much more aggressive. It actually changes the whole look, I would say. So if you guys do have a Mugen grill, I would suggest you guys do exactly the same. And if you guys do like what the outcome was, please do give this video a thumbs up. And then also guys, please do stay tuned for some more EK content. We are going to color code the front lip as well as the side skirts as well as the rear garnish, so you guys can just look forward to that in future. Yo my dudes, if you're watching this, just like to thank you for making it to the end of my video. Then if you are a new subscriber here and you're not familiar with the silver EK, the silver EK does belong to my cousin. I've also created a playlist for you guys to go watch, which does contain when we actually receive the EK, as well as there is a few videos. One of the videos are where we actually fix up his bumper, as well as we basically convert his old spec grill into a new spec grill using the huge H. Okay guys, so this is the grill. So as you can see, you kind of can see the outline of the old spec badge over here. In future we do plan on maybe just closing this, so maybe it looks a bit more clean. As you can see, it's as if the Honda badge is floating as a 458. Also guys, if you do like the content that we brought out today, please do give this video a thumbs up. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.